The future in your hands, Jerome Powell. You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News. Crypto to the max today in a very important day for crypto and for the stock market. Are we going to cut the rates or not? We'll see about that. We'll tell you everything, of course, in the show. But today, you should expect volatility. We told you, and here's Bitcoin daily chart, that we could be around $80,000 just today. And maybe you feel that we are far away from that point, but we are closer than a 5%. That for Bitcoin is nothing. $4,000 is something that Bitcoin can feel in just half an hour. That will close the gap of the CME futures as we are expecting, and also that would set the base for the rise to 140%, which is Michael Saylor's prediction. In the more conservative scenario, that would bring us before year's end to 200K. We told you about that in previous videos. You have to watch them all. Remember, we are following this path. We are also following this agenda that I told you in previous videos. And we are watching, of course, the market. What's going on with Bitcoin? Why we go up or not? China yesterday going up today too. And Japan is going down. But what happened in the United States? Well, the S&P 500 officially fall back below 5,600, now down over minus 100 points. And, that's not a good thing. But if you are concerned about what's going on in SPX and, United States stock market, you need to consider this from CryptoCon. This is the theory of the 25 years. He believes there's also cycle. As we know, there's a cycle of 4 years on Bitcoin. Remember, we have this video dedicated to the 4-year cycle. You should watch it. And yes, we now know about the SPX. And according to that, and according to CryptoCon, you are right now in the green arrow, as we were here in the 90s, as we were here in the 57. So, if this is true, the idea now is that we still have room till we get blue and then down for some time, blue and then down for some time. We are then in a situation where we can still go up in this 25-year cycle. And according to this prediction, we can expect the next drop around 2028. That's when we have to see if we are topping. And also, the next market pause, according to the 25-year cycle, would be between 34 and 43. So, good times till 28. And also now between 34 and 43, you can expect a correction. Right now, in the green, you can see we're going down, but allegedly, this usually lasts just like a couple of months and we're still going up. Again, watch the 4-year cycle and consider that maybe we are still in the parabola we were in 2017. If that's the case, we can go as high as $1 million for 2026, just one Bitcoin. Also, now that everybody's panicking, remember, as Stock Money Lizard is telling us here, that we might just be in the accumulation zone. We might have some lower lows, but then we can recover and keep on going higher. Also, the 3 days RSI has not been this low since 2023. So we are oversold. That means that we can go higher. This was as bad when we were at 26. Now we are above $80,000. And Max is bringing us a new tool that we have to follow. This is the 200 moving average and the 300 moving average. Allegedly, the price settles between these two lines and creates the base there for the next pump. So we are gonna watch this. I'm using it already on TradingView. And also I adjust with the weekly MACD. And all this is telling us that maybe we still need to wait for a little bit, but Bitcoin will recover soon enough. And it's not just the stock market, it's not just geopolitical, macroeconomical variables that we need to consider. Also, insider trading and all that. Remember previous videos, we are having this volatility, and you can see that yesterday in Germany the DAX went up, but Bitcoin went down. So again, it's not just economic variables, but also what we have in the crypto world. Remember this huge whale? Well, Bitcoin dumped, and the famous hyperliquid whale closed its 40x Bitcoin short position, earning 9.4 million profit. Dextools telling us follow them on their social media, follow them on X. Hyperliquid that in this year went up. Right now we're down, but we might recover soon enough. We'll see about that. Hyperliquid is so crypto that I wouldn't buy. Now I regret it a little bit. Also, remember we're having hacks. So yeah, the market is weird because maybe Bybit, they are trying to recover, manipulating the market. They are market makers. Careful out there. Laserius Group was attacking OKX, remember? They are still trying to stop Laserius Group to launder money on its decentralized exchange. Now North Korea controlling 13,562 Bitcoin, which has huge implications according to the Bitbutaglia. Like, for example, this is a strategic reserve that can be confiscated by any nation or institution. So it makes Bitcoin a strategical neutral reserve available for every kind of entities or individuals, we like it or not. So now we have some money that you can't stop whatsoever. This makes international commerce very interesting. Korea can transact even the sanctions, and all of the countries with sanctions, they can use Bitcoin and no one can stop it. So Bitcoin's created a new world order with new rules that level the game for everybody. You better get to know it as soon as possible. They are laundering crypto, pretending to be inexperienced traders and intentionally losing money. They are being creative in order to avoid controls on the exchanges. We'll see about these hacks. We'll see about the situation also between Ukraine and Russia that it's going to affect the markets. Right now, it seems that they are closing positions. We'll see about it. And we'll see it on dextools.io, of course, where you can see with volume that Pepe is now one of the most traded ones. Also, very interesting that Dex is going up. So congratulations to the token on dextools.io. And congratulations if you hold some Dinocoins like EOS or VET, even IOTA. Those are going up. The bubbles are finally rising. So maybe we are in an alt season. EOS is the one that is pumping harder. And why? Well, they are rebranding. It's not going to be EOS Network anymore. It's going to be called Valuta. And they are changing now, their purpose. They are bringing traditional banking with the power of Web3. Secure, scalable, unstoppable. We'll see about that. Marty Party talking about this dinosaur chain. And again, we're going to have a new token. We're going to exchange it allegedly at 1-to-1 ratio. We'll see about this. Also, I asked ChatGPT and Grok about this vault. And we are going to need to do, if you don't have your EOS on an exchange, if you have it like myself with a ledger or a treasure, we'll have in May to do things. Be careful with the scammers. It's going to be May, June, and we'll do it very carefully if it's worth it. Remember, you don't want to be the first in case there's something fishy out there. EOS, that's down. We'll see if I recovered the money that I put there. I thought I was losing it forever. We'll see about it. Also, my investment in IOTA, I always thought that maybe was going to go to zero, but now with the alpha release of IOTA identity, maybe we have some some hope. What do you think about this identity feature of IOTA? Do you think this is okay? Do you think IOTA, they are lost, they are changing everything, so it's a bad project? Give me some alpha in the comments below. IOTA that in the last 24 hours is going up, but if we go to the old time, you can see that, well, we are not in a very good position whatsoever. Ethereum is trying to go back again to face the 2100 when Standard Chartered Bank cut Ethereum year-end price target by 60% from $10,000 to $4,000. So this is for Standard Chartered. I don't like you anymore. Justin Sun, now I like you more. Stake 100 million Ethereum today. That's bullish for Ethereum. Also bullish that President Trump's executive director said that they want as much Bitcoin as they can get. Good is also that Brazil is proposing a bill to allow employers to pay salaries in Bitcoin, and MicroStrategy is launching another digital asset, STRF Strife, a new perpetual preferred stock offering. Nice also that US wholesale egg price dropped for third consecutive week, averaging 3.45 per dozen. While in Spain you have to register your chicken. You know your civilization has collapsed, at least your country, when you can have a fine of 3,000 euros if you don't register your chickens for eating your own eggs. In any case, Vice President in the United States said that Europe is at risk of civilizational suicide, and I believe that might be true. We would better creating farms for Bitcoin, like here in Texas, powered by wind. Lovely, lovely place. Maybe we have to go there to Texas, or maybe better to Dubai, like CZ. I have to dress like him. Nice outfit. And now we say goodbye. By now, I will tell you tomorrow what happened with Jerome Powell. And you have to protect your crypto, like this cat is trying to protect it from precisely this chicken, not registered one, trying to have the Bitcoin. Look what a mess you did. Let's keep on learning about AI with our channel, Rodrigo Ornedo, Inteligencia Artificial, and of course more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies here on Rodrigo Ornedo. This is Bitcoin, fun on the right, crypto news, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!